Hi, it's Lynn with Soft Squares. We are going to open this Quilty Box. It is the middle of January. I've already opened the lid, but I have not peeked inside yet. But what I see here is our bundles of inspiration. That looks simple and easy and cool, and I like it. All right, so let's find the information that's in this box. Quilty Classic Box. It has one of my favorite things is this bobbin saver. If you have never had one, you are going to love it. Your bobbins go in and they don't come out. It has kind of a C shape to it, so your bobbins go in and you can do this and they're not going to fall out. I have worked in sewing stores and around machines, and I love these. I'm always getting people to look at that. All right, so this bobbin saver has a retail value of $10. And it also has Wonderfill spool thread for $4.99. Look at that. Got a purple thing going on here. Oh, I don't know what this is. Bobbin saver, bobbin holder. I am thinking because it's magnetic, it's good to put a bobbin on, and I happen to have one right here. It might not work with my FAF. Well, it does. It does fit on top. But probably the machines that have a bigger, I'm not really sure how this works. It says this, oh, there it goes, it's on. This clever magnet fits the whole of your thread, and the magnet holds your needles with the thread. I don't understand. Quiltersrule.com. I guess I need to do some investigating to see if I'm even right on with that or how that works. Anyway, this is a retail value of $2.99. They have retailed this catalog right here at $10, and it also has the pattern in here. And if you have English paper piecing as your box, it has information in there. It talks about the designers and the pattern, and they have used the fabrics that are in here in this pattern, and I like because it's kind of a variegated look. Really cool. And it goes through step by step on that, a light way and a dark way. Even has the paper piecing ways to use it on clothing. I haven't done English paper piecing, so I don't know much. However, they have the Employee of the Month, and then they have the sneak peek of next month's designer. And then coming up is Homage to Grandmother's Flower Garden. This looks like this will be coming next month. Cool. Okay, so let's look at this one. This is pretty. And this is the fabric. It's by Wilshire. It's called Wishwell. Vanessa, Lily Rose, and Linda Fitch. Okay, and that's it for that. These are definitely the pictures. What's in the picture here? Oh, I'm going to have to open them. I can clearly see that. Let's see here. Okay, I'm going to happen. That way I can still bundle it up when I'm all done. Okay. Oh, this is cool. So again, there's our catalog. I don't know if you can see that very well at all. Maybe I can get some better lighting here. Maybe. Okay, so there's that. We have this fabric. And then we have this one. What do you think of these colors? I like this. I really like what's happening in this pattern using all these prints, and they're modern, but I can see how modern would work really well with this pattern. And I have a lot of other modern fabrics, but I'm not quite sure how to use them. And I think this just gave me an idea how to incorporate them in something fun. And here's our last piece. It's this one. So there are our fabrics. Here is our pattern. We get the bobbin saver, we get the thread, and this little gadget. Not 100% sure what that is yet, but it has to do with your bobbins. Let's see, they're giving us a retail value of this box. They are not. I guess we have to add it up. Oh, by the way, the fabric is $28. 30, 40. It's about $50. Month-to-month subscription is $48 a month plus free shipping. So it seems like it about breaks even. 40. Anyway, that's how that works. I can see that these are fabrics I probably would not have purchased on my own. So it's cool to get nudged sometimes and to try something new. I'm not 100% sure if the Quilty Box is something I'm going to continue to get, but I am very happy with this month's box. All right, let me know what you guys think. Thanks and have a great day.